Hey everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. I'm excited. Today we are going to be making this simple Christmas card featuring Misty Moonlight, Cinnamon Cider, and Magenta Madness colors in this really easy, simple card. What you're going to need to make this card is the Banners Pick-a-Punch, the Coming Home stamp set, the Celebration Tiding stamp set. I'm using these ones specifically for the tree, and then the Merry Christmas sentiment. You can use whatever stamp set you'd like. I'm also going to use, obviously, my Stampin' Seal, dimensionals, some painter's tape or masking tape, and then my Stampin' Pads in Cinnamon Cider, Magenta Madness, and Misty Moonlight. And then my card is going to be put together with Whisper White and Misty Moonlight cardstock. All the measurements for this card you can find on our blog, which is in the description of this video. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the bottom with Magenta Madness, and we're going to stamp our tree 5 times. Then we're going to clean our block off and go in with the Cinnamon Cider. Next, we're going to take the Misty Moonlight. And then while I still have my Misty Moonlight out, we're going to stamp on our piece of Whisper White using our Merry Christmas stamp set. And before we get our ink on the stamp set, we're going to mask it off. And we're going to do one word at a time. So I'll show you here. I'm going to take some of the tape. We're going to cover the Christmas. And actually, before I ink up, I'm going to punch so I know that my sentiment is going to actually fit in here. So let's punch this first. Then, now that we have our stamp masked off, we're going to stamp just the Merry in the ink. Then we're going to take off the masking tape and we're going to stamp it on our Whisper White. It's our Merry, and then we're going to clean this off. Then we're going to go in with masking tape again, but we're going to cover Merry. So now that we have our Christmas masked off, we're going to put that in the ink. Then before we stamp, we're taking our masking tape off, putting it to the side. Then we're going to stamp our Christmas right next to our Merry. Mine got a little close there, but you want to make sure that you have some space left over for the Christmas and Merry to go together. And that does it for our stamping. What we're going to do next is start assembling the card. So I'm going to put our Whisper White onto our card base using our Stampin' Seal. Then we're going to adhere our Merry Christmas to our punched Misty Moonlight. Then we're going to adhere this to the card base using Stampin' Dimensionals. We'll also be using some rhinestones to put on 3 trees on the front of the card. And there you have it. This is our quick and easy Merry Christmas, very simple stamping card because it only uses ink and paper. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. For measurements and pictures, be sure to visit our blog, which is in the description of this video. Thanks!